Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're gonna learn how to enable mic access for WhatsApp. So I'm gonna give you different routes to get this solution, but perhaps you have a hardware malfunction, so you must to take your mobile to a technician, okay? But by now I'm gonna show you that if you go into settings and find your apps, there is a new menu to manage apps in this case, and you're going to look for WhatsApp. There in WhatsApp are going to be app permissions, okay? And if you tap on it, you're going to find the app permissions for your camera, contacts, files, media, so on, and obviously the microphone. Here in the microphone, probably you have denied this access, this permission to your WhatsApp. So you must to allow only while using the app or ask every time you are using again your WhatsApp. Okay, that's the first option. The second option here in our WhatsApp manage, we have three options at the bottom of our screen. One of these is clear data. So we're going to try and clear the cache or clear all data in case we don't have any success with the microphone. I recommend you to reboot your mobile again and see if WhatsApp is running correctly. If not, try to uninstall and install again your WhatsApp, and if any of these options are working for you, I really recommend you to take your mobile to a technician so they're gonna be able to fix that, okay? And that's how you can enable mic access for WhatsApp.